Welcome to CandiMentor. Today, let's decode the essential questions that could make or break your interview for a Cargill RTR or accountant position. If you're aiming to make an impression, this guide is your stepping stone. We'll unravel 20 key questions and provide comprehensive answers to help you stand out. Stay tuned to gain an edge in your next accounting interview. What is RTR in accounting? RTR stands for Record to Report. It's a key finance and accounting process that involves collecting, processing, and delivering relevant, timely, and accurate information used by management to make strategic decisions. In an RTR role, you ensure the integrity of the financial reports by overseeing ledger entries, consolidations, and reconciliations. Understanding the flow of transactions and the general ledger structure is crucial. How do you ensure accuracy in financial reporting? Accuracy in financial reporting is maintained through meticulous attention to detail, cross-verification of data, and regular reconciliations. Employing automated tools for data accuracy can minimize human errors. Additionally, implementing a robust internal control system and routinely reviewing financial statements with a critical eye ensures any discrepancies are promptly identified and rectified. Can you explain the process of month-end closing? Month-end closing involves finalizing all accounting transactions for a given period. This includes posting journal entries, reconciling accounts, reviewing accruals and deferrals, and preparing financial statements. Timeliness and accuracy are crucial, so it's important to have a structured checklist and timeline to follow. Communication with different departments ensures that all necessary information is gathered efficiently. What experience do you have with financial software systems? Discuss your familiarity with popular accounting software like SAP, Oracle, or QuickBooks. Highlight specific functionalities you've used, such as ledger management or financial reporting tools. If you've participated in software implementation or migration projects, mention your role and any improvements in efficiency that resulted. Tailor your response to reflect the software systems used by Cargill. How do you handle tight deadlines? Meeting tight deadlines requires effective time management and prioritization. I create a detailed plan outlining each task with specific deadlines and allocate resources accordingly. It's essential to anticipate potential obstacles and have contingency plans. Open communication with the team ensures that everyone stays on track, and any issues are addressed promptly to avoid delays. Describe your experience with balance sheet reconciliations. Balance sheet reconciliations involve verifying that account balances match supporting documentation. I systematically analyze and compare ledger entries to external statements and resolve any discrepancies. Regularly updating reconciliation templates and maintaining clear records is crucial. My attention to detail and analytical skills ensure that all reconciliations are accurate and complete. What methods do you use for variance analysis? Variance analysis involves comparing actual financial performance with budgeted figures. I identify variances by analyzing revenue and expense reports, determining the reasons behind them, and assessing their impact on financial performance. This process involves collaborating with department heads to gather insights and develop actionable strategies to address any adverse variances. How do you manage and account for fixed assets? Managing fixed assets requires maintaining detailed records of acquisitions, disposals, and depreciation. I ensure compliance with accounting standards by regularly updating asset registers and conducting physical audits. Understanding depreciation methods and applying them correctly is crucial in accurately reflecting the asset's value on the balance sheet. What is your approach to budgeting and forecasting? Budgeting involves setting financial goals and allocating resources accordingly. Forecasting predicts future financial performance based on historical data and market trends. I collaborate with various departments to gather insights and develop realistic budgets. Regular reviews and adjustments ensure alignment with organizational objectives, and potential variances are identified early. Explain your experience with intercompany transactions. How do you ensure compliance with accounting standards? Compliance with accounting standards involves staying updated with the latest regulations and implementing them in financial reporting. I regularly attend training sessions and workshops to enhance my knowledge. Establishing internal controls and conducting audits ensures that all processes align with standards like GAAP or IFRS, minimizing the risk of non-compliance. What steps do you take to identify and prevent fraud? Fraud prevention requires establishing a robust internal control system and promoting a culture of transparency. I implement segregation of duties, conduct regular audits, and use analytical tools to detect irregularities. Training employees on recognizing and reporting suspicious activities fosters vigilance and reduces the likelihood of fraudulent activities. How do you handle discrepancies in financial records? Discrepancies require immediate attention to identify their source and rectify them. I conduct a thorough review of transactions, cross-check documentation, and collaborate with relevant departments to resolve any issues. Maintaining detailed records and following up on corrections ensures that discrepancies are addressed promptly and do not recur. Describe your understanding of financial consolidation. Financial consolidation involves combining financial statements from different entities within an organization into a single set of statements. I ensure accuracy by eliminating intercompany transactions and adjustments for currency conversion. Consolidation requires a deep understanding of accounting standards and regulations to present a true and fair view of the organization's financial position. What role do you play in the audit process? During audits, I provide auditors with necessary documentation and insights into financial records. I ensure that all data is accurate and readily available, facilitating a smooth audit process. Addressing any audit queries promptly and implementing recommended improvements enhances the organization's financial management practices and ensures compliance. How do you maintain confidentiality in accounting? Maintaining confidentiality involves safeguarding sensitive financial information through secure systems and protocols. I adhere to company policies regarding data protection and access limitations. Regular training on data security and ethical standards ensures that all employees understand the importance of confidentiality. What is your approach to continuous improvement in accounting processes? Continuous improvement involves regularly reviewing and refining accounting processes for efficiency and accuracy. I leverage technology to automate repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of errors. Gathering feedback from the team and staying informed about industry best practices allows me to implement innovative solutions that enhance operational effectiveness. How do you handle complex accounting issues? Complex accounting issues require a structured approach to analyze and resolve. I break down the problem, gather relevant data, and consult with colleagues or experts if necessary. Applying critical thinking and utilizing available resources ensures that the issue is resolved effectively. Documentation of the approach taken is crucial for future reference. Describe a time when you improved an accounting process. I identified inefficiencies in the accounts payable process, leading to late payments and penalties. By automating invoice processing and implementing an approval workflow, I reduced processing time and improved accuracy. This change resulted in timely payments and enhanced vendor relationships, demonstrating the impact of process improvements on overall operations. What motivates you to work in accounting at Cargill? Cargill's commitment to innovation and sustainability aligns with my career goals. I'm motivated by the opportunity to contribute to a company that values integrity and growth. Working in an environment that encourages continuous learning and development inspires me to enhance my skills and make meaningful contributions to the finance team. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights from CandiMentor. Drop your questions in the comments, and let's master accounting interview strategies together.